What's up, guys? Today we're putting MetaTrader 5 and TradingView head-to-head. I've been using both for a while, and honestly, they serve very different purposes. Depending on the way you trade, one platform can make your life a whole lot easier. So let's break it down. Starting with MetaTrader 5. This platform is built for professional execution. It's not just a charting tool, it's a full trading terminal where Forex and CFD traders connect directly with brokers. It gives you access to live markets, fast order execution, and all the tools you need if you're actively trading every single day. Now compare that to TradingView. TradingView is a charting powerhouse. Most people use it for technical analysis, strategy testing, and building trade ideas. You can connect a broker and place trades through it, but the real strength is in the charts, the indicators, and the huge community that shares setups and strategies. It's basically a hub for traders to learn from each other and refine their skills. In terms of design and usability, TradingView definitely feels more modern. It's cloud-based, works on any device, and has a super clean interface that's easy to pick up. You don't need to download anything, just log in from your browser and you're good to go. MetaTrader 5, on the other hand, feels a bit old school in comparison, but what it lacks in design, it makes up for in raw power. If you're into automation or coding trading bots, MT5 is the clear winner. It comes with its own editor, so you can build scripts, expert advisors, and run algorithmic strategies with precision. When it comes to features and community, TradingView shines with its massive indicator library, customizable charts, and the social aspect. You can publish your own ideas, follow other traders, and even test out strategies with the replay feature. MT5 doesn't really have that social side. It's more private and broker-focused, but it's built for speed, execution, and serious market depth. So here's the bottom line. If you're mainly doing chart analysis, backtesting strategies, or just want a sleek platform you can use anywhere, TradingView is the way to go. But if you're executing trades with a broker, relying on automated strategies, and need reliability in live markets, MetaTrader 5 is hard to beat. And that's my take on MT5 versus TradingView. Both have their strengths, and honestly, the best traders often use them together. Hope this breakdown helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.